Hi everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom back to square one, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to go back to the very first stage of something. For years, the government worked on strengthening the country's economy, but when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, things changed for the worse. It seems the country has regressed in terms of our economy. We are working to put things right, but we have to go back to square one and start again. Let's look at some more interesting examples, starting with social situations. They were friends for years, but when one of them lied, it broke their trust. In order to gain your trust again, I know I'll have to go back to square one. The local authorities did really well to build and maintain quality roads in the area until there was a storm. I guess we'll just have to go back to square one, lads. The police made no headway in solving the crime. We're back to square one. Our last lead was a dead end. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The sales team made a pitch to a company for a new contract. This is our last option. If they don't go for it, we'll end up back at square one. The IT team were stuck on a server issue for quite some time. I'm trumped. I don't know what to do here. Let's have a coffee, then go back to square one. The scientists thought they made a breakthrough with their research. It was looking very promising, but it wasn't a success. Unfortunately, we'll have to go back to square one. Where did you hear the expression, back to square one? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.